Hello, amazing souls. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back again, welcome.
German on the beat.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I send them my devotion and show them my thoughts.
The topic of today, I want to educate you guys on how a prosthetic looks like and understand how we call the parts of a prosthetic leg. First of all, this is a prosthetic leg, and this prosthetic leg is for an above amputee. I miss my limb, and this is what acts like my limb. So the upper part, this one, it's called a socket. This upper part, it's a socket. This one. And here there is a hole where you put a vacuum. This is where my remaining stump or my remaining leg goes into. And then here in the middle we have something. This one is called a knee rotator. I don't know if you can see. It's in the middle. It rotates my joint or my limb. After the knee rotator, we have the joint here. Up to here, this is called a joint. Here to here, this is a joint. And then here to here, this one is called a pylon. Here to here, it's a pylon. And then the remaining one, it's a foot. And that's a full prosthetic leg. If you didn't know, now you know. This is my one and only. And this is how an above knee prosthetic look like. See you next time when we are raising more awareness. Bye bye.